In this tutorial, I will show you how to make your CPU runs faster in Windows 11 in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From desktop, click on search and search for edit power plan and open it. Here click on change advanced power settings. Now click on this drop down icon and select high performance. After this scroll down and click on plus icon of processor power management. Now click on plus icon of minimum processor state and set it to 100. Then click on plus icon of maximum processor state and set it to 100. After this, click on apply and then click on OK. Now from desktop, click on search and search for settings. From left side, click on apps and then click on install apps. Here, uninstall the apps that you are not using by just clicking on these three dots and then click on uninstall. After this, from left side, again click on apps and now you have to click on startup. Here toggle off the app which you don't want to start automatically and make sure your computer or laptop is in cool place all the time. So that's how you can make your CPU runs faster in Windows 11 in just few easy steps.